A Swedish company, Jetson Aero, introduced the first ever ready-to-fly electric aircraft that can be assembled from a kit at home. Called Jetson One, this electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle weighs about 190 pounds, with dimensions of a little over 9 by 3 feet. Made of carbon fiber and aluminum, it is powered by 8 electric motors with a total power output of 88 kilowatts. The top speed is limited by software to 63 miles per hour and the flight time is around 20 minutes. Priced at $92,000, you can pre-order your Jetson One by putting down a $22,000 deposit and your aircraft kit will be delivered sometime in 2023. All 2022 capacity has already been sold out. While still rather expensive, the fact that Jetson One is so easy to assemble and also very easy to fly, we're moving closer and closer to a point in the future when personal flying vehicles will become the norm rather than an exception. Once we combine this technology with self-driving capabilities that are already making it to our cars, most of our transportation will literally take to the skies. That means, there will come a day when we will no longer need roads and we will also be able to cover longer distances in a shorter amount of time. How will this impact our urban planning? How will this change the way we live? Please leave your thoughts in the comments below.
For more fascinating science and technology news, click the thumbnail on your screen. If you're a fan and want to do something good for the planet, click the subscribe button.